3 unexpected signs that your business goals are coming your way for fast business success. Now, you might be in your business right now feeling quite frustrated and disappointed, and maybe things are just not going your way. Maybe it's that you've lost a client right now. Maybe you feel right now you're heavily distracted by friends and family. Maybe you're just thinking, why am I getting so many knocks against the wall? Why is life challenging me, particularly right now, so hard? If any of these resonate, then feel free to stay along, as I've got something for you. Your success is actually on its way right now. So let's jump in. Hello, my name is Lillian, and I'm here helping therapists, spiritual coaches, practitioners, healers, basically supercharge their online coaching business to success. I offer all coaches free advertising in my Soul Central directory. It goes out once a month to over 10,000 manifestors, high achievers, soul searchers and seekers. So if you feel that's the right audience for you, then feel free to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, Soul Central directory, and I'll get the information over to you. Okay, so 3 unexpected signs that your business goals are coming their way to you for fast business success. Now, most people default to think, okay, I'm making loads of money or X amount of money, so therefore that is proof that my business is growing. And that's great. Of course it is. It's the most tangible, measurable thing in your business that you can look and see, you know what, I'm growing month on month if your revenue is growing and increasing month on month. But I want to let you know there's actually other ways that you can measure your business and to see if your big business goals that you've set yourself for are coming through. Now, it could be that, number 1, you've actually lost a client, or you can reflect back and you've lost a big client. Sometimes it's good to have small clients, maybe offering them small services that you offer in order to keep things ticking over. But sometimes you might get that high ticket client or even a super client who ends up paying a very high price for your services, and that is absolutely fantastic. But it could be that you are now running out of time working with that client, because maybe you've been with this particular client for a certain amount of time, let's say for a 3, 6 or 12-month contract. Or it could be that they've just decided to part ways, or whatever the case might be. You feel a loss, that you've lost a particular client. And if so, I wanted to let you know that this is actually a sign that your big business goal, whatever it is that you have set out to achieve this year in particular, is going to come through. Because imagine if that client was there and your big goal came in, could you actually manage the big goal that you've set yourself? Basically, I see it as the universe, or what you've done, or what is happening is that something has actually left your working world, your space, in order to have something move in to take its place. It's a bit like a relationship, really. Sometimes you might fall apart, fall away from someone, and sometimes at the beginning it's that loss and it's quite hard for you to get over. However, in the bigger picture, that's actually allowed the space in your life for someone new to come in. So if you reflect it back into your business, if you've lost a client, this is a possible sign, an unexpected sign that big things are coming your way, because we are now allowing that space for you and your business for something new, bigger and better to come through. The second unexpected sign that basically your big goal is coming your way into your business is that you might be quite right now distracted by your friends and family. Let's say you have a few friends right now and they're saying to you, hey, come out with us right now. It's great, come meet us for a coffee. Or, hey, we've got this networking event. And you always end up telling your nose up to networking events. I think since the pandemic, we like to be quite insular sometimes with what we do. But, do you just feel that right now you are getting all these random requests and random invites to these places or parties that you're not really usually up for doing? Well, that could be a reason that the next client that you have might be at the next event, which is a given really if it's a networking event, but it could quite possibly be at a party, and you might be connected with someone who knows someone else. You might be connected with someone directly at this new place, at this new venue, who might end up wanting to do business with you. So if you're finding it quite strange right now that you are having all these random requests and invites to go to these random places that you're not usually doing, that could be another unexpected sign that you are wanting to be in a certain place at a certain time. The universe is working together with you in order to put you in the right position, in the right place, the right time for that right person, i.e. a new client, if that is what you are wanting to manifest right now. And the third unexpected sign, if you are just thinking, my God, like the last month has been horrific. I am going through so much at the moment in terms of business challenges. Things are not working, clients' softwares are not working for them, you're not getting the right results for your clients, or you're having a challenge with you're having some sort of challenge yourself, and it's just frustrating right now. You have no idea why. You just think it always happens at once. At the moment, it's like buses. I've just got too much on my plate. What is going on? Well, it could be that you are right now being tested. So I don't know what your goal is, obviously, here, but let's say we have a goal of £10,000 for the month. Now, that's great. That's what most people's goals are in this online space, and that's all good. But imagine if you have all these knockbacks and you're not quite at £10,000 per month at the moment. You need to think, when you're having all these knockbacks, are you thinking of a person that already has a goal of £10,000 per month? Would you react in the way when these challenges are presented to you in the same way that with someone with £10,000 would have? And if the answer is no, it sounds like you're not quite ready to graduate onto the next level of receiving such money into your business of, let's say £10,000 per month. So really take time to reflect and check in with how you are with your thought patterns towards a particular challenge or situation. And if you are really coming from a place of just frustration and you have no idea what to do and how to deal with things, are you really acting like the person that you want to be for those who are wanting to receive a particular amount, and in this case £10,000? And if the answer is no, you are needing at that moment, I'm sorry to say, to still work on yourself. You are still needing to maybe learn something. You are still maybe needing to check in with your thoughts and become more aware. Meditation can help with that for sure. And it could just be that you are not quite ready to move on to the next step. And this is why the challenges happen. However, it's a good sign, okay? In order to grow, we need to keep pushing through our challenges. And that is how you break through into the next level of your business. So don't see these challenges as a pain. Don't see them as an opportunity to moan and get really down with your ways of thinking. This is just bring it on type mode, bring on the challenges, because it's a sign of growth. It really is. Sometimes I have to really check in with myself and think, you know what, I have to learn something new. When you think you've known or learned everything that you need to know for business, and then something else comes along, just see it as something that you need to relearn or learn again or learn from scratch. It's just a sign of growth. So I hope that helps. So just to recap, the 3 unexpected signs that your big business goal is coming its way to you right now for quick and fast business success is: number 1, if you have lost a particular client or you are not getting a lot of clients in, let's say, whatever the reason might be, it's because we need the space in order for this big business goal to come through. So don't be alarmed if you've lost the clients right now or lost a stream of income, because that obviously is, by the way, making way for something else to come through. Number 2, you are getting these really random requests from friends, family, colleagues, whatever it might be, to go somewhere that you're not usually wanting to go to or needing to go to or feel like you might want to go to. However, just go, see what happens. It could just well be that you are maybe then putting yourself in the right place at the right time with the right people in order to have a project come through, a new client come through, or a possible new partnership to come through. And the third one is, if you are receiving challenge upon challenge on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, don't be alarmed. Challenges are great. Challenges is a way of improving yourself. It's a sign of growth. And basically, you really need to check in with yourself during these challenges. How would a blank £10,000 per month person be acting or thinking if they are presented with that particular challenge? You need to think of the person that you are wanting to be at the time when the challenge happens. Okay, fantastic. Thanks ever so much for listening. If you have learned anything in this video, feel free to let me know down below. I'm happy to read all your comments. or your feedback. And if you're wanting a free listing in the Soul Central directory that goes out to over 10,000 plus intuitives, manifestors, soul searchers and seekers, then feel free to subscribe, like this particular video, comment below Soul Central directory, and I will send you the information to you. And here is to your business success.